Hello everyone, this is Miss Paula and we are going to learn some more English grammar. Today we are going to work with the past simple tense again, but this time we're going to learn how to work with questions. As we learned how to make questions in the simple present, the simple past is also quite similar, but with the use of the auxiliary did. Now we're going to check some examples. Remember that we use the simple past to talk about actions that are finished in a past moment, okay? They are an action that started and finished in the past, okay? So, I repeat, we use the auxiliary did for all the different pronouns, for I, you, he, we, they, and you again. All right? We use did for all the pronouns. Let's have a look at some examples so as to check the structure. Okay? Look. Did you go out yesterday? Yesterday is my past reference, the past time, where the action started and finished. Did you go out yesterday? Go is the verb. And did is the auxiliary. My sentence, my question, is in the past, and the auxiliary is did. The verb is not in the past because we need to remember that did and past never ever go together. Okay? So when we use the auxiliary did, the verb goes in the infinitive. Look at the question again. Did you go out yesterday? This is a yes-no question. Do you remember what happens with yes-no questions? We need to answer them with the same auxiliary. So, possibilities to answer yes or to answer no. So, did you go out yesterday? Did you go out of your house yesterday? Did you go out with a friend yesterday? You can answer yes, I did, with the same auxiliary, yes, I did, an affirmative answer. Oh no, I didn't. Remember that the auxiliary for the negative is didn't or did not. This is the short form of did not, didn't. Okay, let's repeat. Did you go out yesterday? Yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. With the question, did you go out? The answer could also be about more than one person, two people, we. It could be, yes, we did, or no, we didn't, because you is the pronoun for the singular and the plural pronouns. Okay? As we said before, we use the same auxiliary for all the pronouns. Let's have a look at an example with the third person. Did he go to work today? Today is a present time reference, but going to work finished. Okay? So, did he go to work today? Now, the possible answers. Yes, he did. Same auxiliary. Or no, he didn't. Negative auxiliary for did. Or did not. Can you see the similarities? Same auxiliary, same word order. Auxiliary, subject, verb. Auxiliary, subject, verb. Did you go? Did he go? Okay? So that is quite similar. What happens if we want to ask a question that is not to answer yes or no? We can ask with question words. Remember? Where for a place, when for a moment, who for a person, and so on. Let's have a look at this example. Where did you work last Saturday? Last Saturday, it's my time reference, is in the past, finished. Okay? So, where did you work last Saturday? This is not a yes-no question. It's a question that needs an answer with information. The information about where. So I will answer, I or we, remember, worked at home. Worked is a regular verb. In the question, I put it in the infinitive because I am using did that carries the past. Where did you work last Saturday? I worked at home. What happens if I ask a question with a verb that is irregular? For example, the same verb as before, go. Where did you go last Saturday? Where did you go last Saturday? My answer will be, I went. Remember the two columns of the verbs, infinitive and simple past? So I went to work, for example. But it's the same word order. Subject, verb. So the important thing here is to remember that the word order for questions is always with the auxiliary did, and then the subject, and then the verb in the infinitive. I don't use the verb in the past if I have the verb did as an auxiliary. Okay? So you need to practice all this. You need to check again your list of verbs, and we will also talk more about questions also in the simple past and statements in the simple past in other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.